Math Standard 8.ee.c. A biologist tracks the number of bacteria living in a water tank. The biologist used a function that represents the amount of a certain chemical solution that is added to the water. When the water has no chemicals, the number of bacteria, B, is 1,200 per gallon. For each tablespoon of the chemical solution, C, added to each gallon of water, the number of bacteria decreases by 75 per gallon. How much of the chemical in tablespoons must be added to a 500-gallon tank to reduce the bacteria count to a safe 300 bacteria per gallon? So the first thing that we need to do is to write a function or equation that represent this problem. Alright, so let's create a table. So C is the chemical solution per tablespoon, and then the B is the number of bacteria. So it says here if there's no chemical added, so 0, the bacteria per gallon is 1,200. Alright, now if 1 tablespoon is added, or 1 tablespoon of chemical solution is added to the water, or 1 gallon of water, the number of bacteria decreases by 75 per gallon. So 1 tablespoon, alright, so you will subtract 1,200, alright, 1,200 subtract by 75. So that is equal to 1,125. Again, I simply subtracted 1,200 subtract by 75 is equal to 1,125. Alright? So by using this, we can just write a function or equation. Alright? So we can write the number of bacteria, or B, is equal to, alright, we need to know the slope. Alright, so this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. So this will become m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's do it. So this will become 1,125 subtracted by 1,200 divided by 1 minus 0. So the slope here is negative 75. So let us complete the equation. So B, for the number of bacteria, is equal to negative 75, alright, multiplied by C, okay, plus, now this is the y-intercept, so we will use this, plus 1,200. Y-intercept, the value of x is equal to 0. So we're just simply wrote an equation in slope-intercept form. See, that's going to be equal to y equal to mx plus b. Alright, so now we need to solve for the number of tablespoon needed. So it says here that we want to know how much chemical we can put in the water to achieve this 300 bacteria per gallon. So if the bacteria B is equal to 300, alright, then solve for C. So 300 equal to negative 75C plus 1,200. Alright, then subtract both sides by 1,200. So this will be eliminated. So the answer here is negative 900 equal to negative 75C. Then divide both sides by negative 75. So the value of C is equal to 12. Alright, so we need 12 tablespoons of chemical to achieve this number of bacteria per gallon. Now the question here, it says must be added to a 500-gallon tank to reduce the bacteria. So we will simply multiply this number. So 12 multiplied by 500. So let's do it. 500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 6,000. So the answer here is 6,000.